How you guys doing? Art Vallejo, Big Valley Pure Water, and this is After Hours. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how we put a spout on a 5-gallon bottle to make it easy to go ahead and utilize on the counter of the kitchen. Wait, are you giving away a trade secret? It's all good, man. That's right. We're just showing a fast and easy way to go ahead and make life even more convenient for our customers.
You'll need a 3/4 inch set bit to drill a hole, as we see demonstrated right here. After getting the plastic shavings out of the bottle, we go ahead and deburr it. Some gloves that we put on to go ahead and work with the new valve. The 3/4 inch valves are sold individually with all the parts you need. See how the cone gaskets are facing each other? That gap in between is where the bottle wall will be. I use a long reach deep socket tool to install the valve. I prep the valve with one gasket in place, and then the nut and other cone gasket in the deep socket tool. Yeah, kind of like that, right? Yeah. Valve inside the hole, and then we go ahead and insert the deep socket tool with the nut and gasket from the top of the bottle, meet it, and screw in place. Like that. Then just double check for tightness and straighten it out. And it's ready for sale.
That's how we make a 5-gallon bottle with a water spout. Perfect for the counter, perfect for saving money. That's tonight's Big Valley Pure Water After Hours. Thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying our content, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more future videos.